Hi there, my name is Tony, Senior Clinical Advisor here at Carepatron. So today I'm going to take you through our OCD worksheet. The OCD worksheet is designed to benefit individuals struggling with obsessive compulsive disorder, or OCD. This worksheet aims to aid individuals in tracking and controlling their symptoms, promoting progress on the path to recovery. Divided into multiple sections, the worksheet comprehensively covers various facets of OCD, including obsessive thoughts, distress level, exposure and response prevention or ERP, coping skills, and self-esteem and self-worth. OCD is a debilitating mental health condition. It is known for its intrusive and persistent thoughts and repetitive behaviors and mental acts carried out to reduce anxiety or evade harm. This worksheet delivers a structured and efficient way to monitor symptoms and make improvement in recovery. And this worksheet is often integrated with other treatments like therapy and medication to amplify their effects. To use our worksheet, here are a few simple steps you can get yourself started with. Step 1 is that you would want to remember to fill this worksheet regularly on a daily and weekly basis, depending on individual needs. Step 2 is to list all the obsessive thoughts and rate the level of distress of each. And step 3 is to challenge these obsessive thoughts and replace them with more balanced and rational thoughts. And step 4 is for individuals to track their progress in the exposure therapy in the ERP section. Step 5 is to list all the coping skills and evaluate the effectiveness of each coping strategies. Step 6 is to boost self-esteem and self-worth by replacing the negative self-talk with positive affirmations and engaging activities that bring joy and fulfillment to their life. You might struggle to a certain extent when you use this template for the first time. Certain questions can be confusing or difficult. To help you get more familiar and comfortable with this template, we have created an OCD worksheet sample template filled with answers of a simulated patient, hoping to give you a more thorough understanding of this content. Alternatively, you can also access this template from the Carepatron template library. All you have to do is to go to our website, log in, select templates, select community templates, search for OCD worksheet, choose a template, select your client, adjust the template based on your own need, and select client over here so your client can also see it and fill it out. And once you're done, just hit publish.